You just click on create space, and as you can see, we now have 4 spaces on our browser. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a new space on our browser. So if you're new to spaces are basically a window within a window, and if you don't understand what that means, it's like when you have a single browser open but you have multiple browsers inside of it. So that might sound confusing, but once I show you how it works, then it will be easier to understand. So if you look here on the left side of your screen, you'll see your pin tabs as well as your tabs that you can open. So when you're using different spaces, this one here will remain independent of what the other spaces are, or what other tabs are open there, or what bookmarks or pin tabs are open there. So basically, like I've said, it's like using a different browser. In Google Chrome, it would be using different user profiles in a single browser, switching through profiles. But through Arc browser, it goes seamlessly. It's not necessary to change profiles because you can create spaces. And let me show you what I mean by saying that. So if you look down here on the bottom part of the screen, you'll see these dots, these large dots. So I have separated my browser into 3 spaces. And if I click into one of this, let's say entertainment, this is actually entertainment. If I go to unknown space here, it will send me back to the default space. So it has different bookmarks or pin tabs now. And work-related is also something else. In order to create a new space in our browser, you just click on the plus button here and click on new space. And now you're given the option to name your space. Let's name this our fun space. We already have entertainment, but you know. And you also have the option to set this to someone's profile. But I'm just going to set this to default because I haven't created a profile. So you also have the option to create a theme or the color that you want for this new space. Let's say we want this to be actually environment related. So you just click on create space, and as you can see, we now have 4 spaces on our browser. Here you can do whatever you want. You can add a new pin tab or bookmark up here. So let's say we want to go and search up about trees. So this is where we set up our trees. So let's say you're an artist, you want to put some references for your trees, you want to save this one, you can just drag this onto your pin tabs and it won't be gone. So now you have your own organized space made specifically for watching trees. So that's it. That is how you can create spaces on Arc browser. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.